Hey there, today we're diving into the Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 9000, a 21-piece men's grooming kit that's perfect for beard, body, face, nose, and ear hair trimming. This all-in-one hair trimmer boasts advanced DualCut Technology, delivering maximum precision with twice the number of blades for a superior grooming experience. Featuring self-sharpening, titanium-coated steel blades, this trimmer ensures a protective and effective trim every time, just like on day one. No matter how dense or long your beard is, the steel beard trimmer checks hair density 125 times per second and auto-adjusts to maintain constant power for a consistent trim. With 12 cones designed for trimming your face, hair, and body, you'll achieve an even trim every time, thanks to reinforced cutting guards that prevent bending and buckling. The stainless steel frame and rubber grip make it comfortable and easy to control, ensuring you have the best grip while styling. Plus, maintenance is a breeze since the Philips Multigroom and all its attachments are fully washable, allowing you to simply rinse them under the faucet for easy cleaning. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.